Hi, in this quick video I will show you how to activate and deactivate the child lock feature on the Beko MGC20130BB Microwave oven. This is a great safety feature to prevent accidental use, especially if you have children at home. To turn on the child lock, make sure the microwave is in standby mode. That means it's plugged in but not running. Then press and hold the clock button for 3 seconds. The clock indicator light will turn on and the microwave will enter child lock mode. While the lock is active, all buttons on the microwave are disabled. To turn off the child lock, simply press and hold the clock button again for 3 seconds. The lock indicator light will turn off and the buttons will be active again. And that's it! A simple but helpful feature to keep things safe in the kitchen. If this video helped you, give it a like. Thanks for watching!